Very pretty. What else can you sing?
Holy, 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 Lord God Almighty, holy and holy, such a mystery.
Anything else?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Left, Q, C, F, E.
Come over here, Anna. Show me how Daisy Duck dances.
Watch. Jump forward, jump backward. Quack, quack, quack. Wash, wash, wash. Quack, quack, swing side. See?
Yeah, how does Goofy dance?
Watch. Step, step, arch. Step, step, arch. Step, step, arch. Step, step, arch. Step, step, arch.
Okay.
Step, step, arch. Step, step, arch. Step, step, arch.
Is there anything else you want to sing before I stop recording?
Sure.
What else do you want to sing?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Okay, I can't follow you. Gotta stand still.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I once was you all. Up above, feels so high. Like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I watch you all.
And all right, is that it? Any other songs? Are you all done?
I know, guys.
Okay, say bye.